Welcome, traders, to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Munnelly. Want to update a couple of markets here. We're going to start with the dollar index. Obviously, we've just had the CPI print come out a little bit hotter than expected, which has seen the dollar extend to the upside. We still retain long positions in the Tickmill strategy group from the 103.30 level. And my next target now on the upsides is going to be a test of 105.80s, which is the equality objective versus this current swing structure. Now, from there, coinciding with trend channel resistance, we could see a pullback. But what I'm going to be paying close attention to now is whether or not we hold 104.50s as support. Because if we do, moving to the weekly time frame here, you can see we actually have an equality objective on the upside, which coincides with the value area high for the weekly profile, which would actually see us trading up at 108, which would have all sorts of implications in markets. Obviously, that's a few steps away at this stage, but something to bear in mind. We are seeing continued strength here in the dollar. So the next upside objective is going to be the 105.80s. Moving to the euro dollar, we are trading now down towards our target zone. Our target for the euro is 106.50s. Now, from there, that would broadly coincide with the dollar reaching its target. From there, we could see another corrective leg, but certainly then, as the value area low continues to act as resistance into that 108 handle, the euro could also be trading lower. We're actually sitting or taking out the weekly trend line support. So 104.40s will become the next downside objective ahead of an equality objective versus the broader weekly swing structure here, which would have us down into the value area low on the weekly time frame, which would be the 103.20s. I'll wrap things up quickly here with a look at the S&P 500, running short positions from the 50-60 level. And we are looking now as we head into the cash session for a key test of the 49.60s to 49.70s. Now, from here, we could see some profit taking develop, but I would look for any move now back into volume point of control at 50.13 here on the hourly time frame. That would be a natural area I would anticipate we could see sellers step back in. Certainly 50.13 to the 50.21 area would be the resistance zone that I'd be watching. If you haven't already got a position running, that could be the next leg, setting up a three-wave corrective move to the downside. Obviously, on the daily time frame, any close through the trend line be a bearish development, and I'd be looking then for a test down into the 48.50s, 48.60s as the next downside objective. As always, traders, rules, risk, and repetition. Thanks very much.